How to see hidden WhatsApp status. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's begin. First, open WhatsApp on your device. Sign in, and now you simply need to go to Updates at bottom left corner, and here you will see different options. Simply you can see status or channels. So if you have or if any person have added the regular status, you can easily find it on status section. You can tap to open it and view it. But when you scroll down, you can easily find the muted status section if you have hidden any status. So what you can do is you can easily expand and view the muted status. If you wish to unmute someone's status, so simply you need to long press on the name and you can select unmute. Their future updates will appear with the regular status again. And with that, you can easily find hidden WhatsApp status easily. So it's handy trick if you have muted someone by mistake or just want to keep track of all updates. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.